Welcome to week 5. I'm going to present a short little video and I want to make a special announcement. So please listen to this in its entirety. Week 5, we are going to be doing the discussion. You're going to have a employee training rough draft due. There's a quiz as well as a review. The same last couple weeks we've had a quiz and review. On the scenarios for this week, open up the attachment and you're going to want to make sure that the scenario you're choosing is specific to the day that you are posting. It also is asking you to provide your own scenario with the potential answer for the class to dissect and reason. One thing I want to give feedback on this is to make sure that you do know how to code your own scenario. So don't pick something too complex because I'll be asking questions back to you as you've probably seen from this past week. The next thing is the employee training PowerPoint rough draft. So please make sure that you are opening the PowerPoint directions of what you're going to do. This week, you will only have the rough draft due. Um, if you need help on this, please let me know. But again, this is just the rough draft, and you're going to want to make sure you thoroughly read the directions provided here. One thing I will say as I'm grading the final versions of the coding um, instructional notes and conventions is to make sure that you guys really read the feedback before turning in the final. As long as you're turning in the rough draft timely, you're going to get 100% on it. So don't just assume that because you got 100% on the rough draft that you're going to turn in the same thing and get 100%. So please make sure that you are reviewing the comments within the assignment as I make a lot of comments within the actual assignment. Okay. And then again, we'll have the quiz as well as the review for this week. The different chapters that we're going over is the circulatory, respiratory, digestive, skin, and musculoskeletal systems this week. So like last week, I will try to post a couple scenarios in the discussion just for extra practice, and I will post at the end of the week the answers to that. One thing, the special announcement that I do want to make, I've been thinking about the Venn diagram, the differences with inpatient, outpatient coding guidelines, as well as what is the common coding guideline for both of them. Instead of creating another assignment, if you would like to redo that assignment, then I am asking you to email me and ask me to reopen it and I can regrade the assignment. Um, you'll notice that the employee training PowerPoint rough draft this week is going to have a lot of the same content from that. So you're still going to want to make sure that you are understanding the differences and the similarity between the two. If you have any questions, let me know. We will have a live session Tuesday night at 8 p.m. These will be recorded, so I will send out the recording as soon as it's available. I hope everybody has a great week and talk to you soon.